They're making sport, lad.
Take 7. Hey, so what's happening here?
No, start again.
Sorry, I didn't like the baby. Now, the big day. Collecting the Supra. I'll answer that later. So, I'm just about to hook the Jeep up. I'm going to send her on up the road. 4.5 hour return trip. Half an up there, 5 hours with someone back. So, I'm going to throw the trailer on to the Jeep. I'm going to bring the camera with me. And I'll take it back up when we're up there. And we'll get the first look at, Jesus, it's fucking January. 10 months. It's probably 10 months in the Supra has been actually in a video. And hopefully later on when we get her back, we might have a bit of action in that area there. We'll see. We'll see how I'm feeling. Or David's feeling. Right, over. Right, so what I done was, I literally had the Jeep reversed up to the trailer. And I was about to start winding it down onto the trailer, onto the tow bar of the Jeep. And then I just said, the thoughts of driving 5 hours. So, I decided to ring Stephen in Prestige Car Transport. Just I done the lazy out, so he's gone to collect for me. So he'll be back soon enough, innit? And also I realised that I'm actually way too busy for running around. So I'm going to swing the camera around here now. So this is this afternoon's project. And this is something that I haven't done since I was very young. But I used to be alright at a bit of art. So I'll flick this around now. Okay. Now, this is my project for the afternoon. So we have this paint here. We have that wall. Now, worst case is I just have to paint it again. But I'm going to try and do a little bit of artwork on it. I'll put the 888 logo there. I might put, where's the camera? A little funny man there. Yeah, I don't know what way this is going to turn out, but sure, look it. Sure, we give it an hour. I'll spend an hour at it. And we'll decide then if I'm going to give up or not. But I'm just going to be standing here. I'm going to be standing right here, listening down there for this truck to arrive at the Supra. And I'll jump back onto the camera. Look at my artwork.
Not bad.
Huh?
Not bad.
I haven't shown anyone yet, but I did tell people I was starting it. Where's Dave? Huh?
A picture of 2J's Lexus.
Craig, I haven't even shown the people. Oh, it's all zoomed in there. It should be still alright. I haven't even shown the people, Craig. What's behind me?
Have you not?
No.
It's been a while.
And she's home.
Right. First things first.
What?
Let's get the Jeep out of the way.
Craig, that is the plan.
Good.
Does David know he's doing it yet?
Yeah, as David said, he's going to come around here and make sure he knows, that's what's happening.
No. Come here. Because, see in this video,
Yeah.
David normally, okay, does the little loops down there, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm doing it today. Now, people might think I look a bit like David in the car, but I'm doing it, Craig. She looks well, doesn't she?
Yes, she does. We get her warmed up.
Get her warmed up there. David got the cramps, does he? We wait for David to come anyway, yeah? Yes.
Is that recording?
It'll start up there, look at him.
Ah, she's going. The Supra's too small, you can put the camera back.
Craig, you're alright in the back there, yeah?
Not too bad back here.
Right, so this is our first out in the thing. And first of all, yeah, I'm nervous, yeah?
I'm shit myself.
The boys don't like going in the car with me because I'm a fucking fruitcake.
Yeah.
Right, traction on, yeah?
Traction on. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Is that
I don't even know if it works.
Oh,
fuck.
Here goes. Whoa!
Slow down.
Oh, no, look at that!
he's just fucking struggling to find gears there. Oh, fuck. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, fucking hell. You know, Dad, you had the G's hand in hand.
Which garage are you going to?
Fucking the closest one to us.
We're going to Rush, yeah?
Ah, fucking sure we're going to Rush. Give her the anti-lag there.
Oh, I don't know how to do landy like. Now turn it off.
Nah, we leave it on for a minute.
Now go for the limiter now.
No, don't go for the limiter.
Why is it backfiring?
Just go.
Oh, there's a car coming.
Fuck it.
Oh!
Just go, go, go.
Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! What a fucking machine! What's that?
You wonder he had a ball on the bike.
Why is it doing that?
Oh, Jesus.
Oh my
Turn off your indicator, will you?
Oh, we had to get everything on. What's that the wiper? Oh my god!
John just noticed as well.
What?
It's still in low boost.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh, gee. What's that button there again?
Anti-lag, top left.
That one there?
Yeah. I'll give her an anti-lag on past the joggers.
Jesus Christ. We got over these rams, will we?
Yeah, Jesus
Hey,
Christ.
will I leave them till I go, will I?
Fuck it. Give Mark the big rev.
Oh,
No wonder the fucking cars would be reported.
Jesus, some racket there with the anti-lag on there.
Oh, fucking
Hey,
hell.
where's
Sam.
launch control? I'm going to give her the gun.
Don't give her the gun up to fucking Main Street to Rush. Or Main Street to Mexico.
So hold on there a sec, right?
Uh,
I'm not stupid when it comes to cars now, right? But anti-lag,
Yeah.
this thing is just like vibrating like fuck here.
Yeah. It's...
Fucking hell.
Hold on, do it again there. Do it again there. Oh, gee, hold on there. Hold on. I have to just check something.
Huh?
I have to just check something.
What are you checking?
5:20 in the evening. Rush hour traffic.
And we're 200 years in the gas station.
Yeah.
Sorry, missus. Oh my god, turn it off quickly, we're gonna get arrested. Eh?
Oh, fucking
Holy
hell.
fucking jeez.
Jesus Christ. And you say I'm legal when I go anywhere.
Oh, that's like if I was a guard, I'd pull me over and arrest me. Hey,
Well, to be fair, you're after fucking some poor Elwin there. You're after giving it the limiter right beside her.
but I apologize. Just see me like that. I was like, that's sorry.
Oh,
Oh
God.
my god, my god is right. Jeez, so racket out.
Oh, it's fucking serious.
Oh, turn it off for a second, just
Yeah.
till I get me breath back, Davey.
Maybe just gives a moment there.
My first question is, yeah, both of us have screamer pipes.
Yeah.
There's flames come out of both of them when the anti-lag, isn't it?
I think you might need launch control, but then I don't know if my launch control is working or not.
But I've launch control.
Yeah, you do, yeah.
But shall we give her a go and see if we can get a bit of fire out of it?
All we can do is try.
Oh, we just right.
Try your launch controller.
We'll do it in a minute. Dave,
Alright.
how do you feel about doing a few hoops on?
I don't mind doing a few hoops, but like just as a disclaimer, if anything happens, it's not my fault.
Oh, we didn't hear that. I didn't hear that. Did you hear that, Craig?
And there.
No. Come on, David, look at it. Drive her like she's your own. And just to let-
Don't say that.
Just to let anyone know who's watching this, David's my stunt double.
Why has I done this?
Oh, it is.
I can't help it.
Well, Craig, I'll tell you one thing. I'm glad I didn't forget to press the cord for that. Jesus Christ.
of the booty anyway.
Yeah, she's alright, she came out. Well, a good old test. She got Bradley's, what do you call it, rolling road.
Yeah.
And then she got the yard. So I think she's good to go, lads.
In fairness, when was the last time you had marks like that in the yard?
No, it's great. It's great. Probably the last time. Remember I done helicopters in the Jeep. Right.
You know what? It's good to be back, lads.
It's good to be back, is right. Right, what's next? Here we do a little. See, can we do a little bit of let's call it, David. Yeah, double launch control.
No, I'm actually fucking shaking there, man.
I'm shaking looking at you, hey. Well, I'm putting this down for a second, and we'll try one more thing before we end this video. Because I'll tell you one thing, I'm just waiting for a helicopter to come across. Yeah, hey, with a car that's fucking blue flashing light and hey. So, that escalated there yesterday. Bit of messing in the yard. But I'm sure no matter where you are in the world, every country has different tests, and ours is the NCT, National Car Test, whatever it is. So, the Porsche, for example, I applied, what was that, in May, reapplied for the NCT, whatever you meant to call it, right? And it's October when I got a date. I went home last night and I put the reg of this in, and for some reason I get a date today, the following day. So I'm on the way up. She's not really too prepared for the tests, but she might as well throw it in, see what the fail is on. I've no horn, and there's a hazard light on the dash. The emissions. We'll see. I'll try and take a few sneaky little clips of it up here, and hopefully we had a sound lad, because there's a lot of decent lads that work at the place. There's a handful of clowns. I hope none of the clowns are watching this. There you go.
Darren.
Take that. So, I told everyone that I went to the test. I don't think I a few little fails. I don't think it was too bad. Huh?
Did you get the sticker?
What sticker?
Dangerous.
What's that for?
The tyre tread depth is less than 1.6 mil.
That's the back tyres, yeah? But like, how could those tyres be bald, David? Hey?
You already knew, were they?
Huh? Well, it was nothing that like...
Oh, I should look at.
What?
Hold on.
I'd say if you put that back on.
Craig. Where is he? Craig's not here.
That's a lot of fucking rubber.
That is a lot of fucking rubber. Yeah, but they're, yeah. But in fairness, yeah, I wouldn't have done what we done yesterday, yeah, right? Yeah. If I knew I had a test today. So 2 tyres, right? 2 tyres, a bit of a brake line, this issue. And what else?
And the emission is just a bit high because you went with the fucking decal in instead of the cat.
I didn't even fucking know, hey. Anyway.
I did see the decal or the cat last night, and I was gonna say it, and I was like, there's no hope of you changing that.
Yeah, I know. But no, your man was fucking sound. He was a Toyota man, and he done it. Do you know what the good thing about it was, right? He was a genuine worker. He checked through the whole car, right? Yeah. And only picked out the problems. Other pricks, right here, yeah? Right here, if they don't like the look of your car, because some people see this shit coming in, they're like, fucking, and it's torture. Not right, Craig?
That's right.
And
that's why I'm more of an MOT man these days.
Craig's on the MOT, huh? But yeah, anyway. So, David, I think that's nearly a wrap for now. Video, what do you think?
We have a good bit of footage, show us.
This was a good one. We had a bit of messing in the yard. We had the NCT. We showed off our new camera, and I remember I was picking you up and down loads of times. Okay. We have our Supra back, which is brilliant. Right, over the next couple of weeks, we're going to do a little bit of we'll have a bit of crack with the two of these together. Yeah. And that's it. And I'm just going to apologise to everyone who's watching this that Big Ugly is in the back. Huh? So
I
Dave,
think we actually start on the big sexy because I'm actually the more I see it, the more.
the more, yeah, I'm actually. I think it's just, there's just a little section on the front of it that just doesn't do it for me.
Yeah, from there forward,
Yeah,
it's just a little bit ugly.
yeah. So look at, like, it looks great like that. Yeah. Anyway, that's another video done. Yeah. But hold on, before we end this video.
Right.
Yesterday, the camera went dead when we were down here. I had to show everyone me new Mini. So when I was showing off my artwork, yeah. Now there. Look at that, huh? Anyone who puts anything up on Facebook for sale, yeah? Car related, that's shit. I seem to be buying it.
Maybe I like you want to open it, but I don't.
That's it.
I don't really care anymore.
They were on that bombshell. That's another video.
Now we're done.
Over and out.
Like, share, subscribe, comment, share, subscribe, like,
Tag.
yeah, forward,
Send.
WhatsApp groups,
Sender.
put it everywhere.
Good luck.